Equal rights for people with disabilities. Have you heard of the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA? Let's talk about how it helps people with disabilities like me. ADA accommodations at work. The ADA requires employers to make accommodations to help us do our jobs better. This could be things like written instructions in simpler language or extra time to learn new tasks. ADA accessibility in public places. The ADA also requires places like the store where I work to be accessible to everyone. This means having wide aisles, ramps for wheelchairs, and bathrooms that anyone can use easily. Thanks to the ADA, I know I can ask for help if I need it and speak up if I face any barriers. This helps me do my job well and enjoy equal access to the store and its services, just like everyone else. Learn more about the ADA and how it can help you or someone you know.